Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This video has a lot of value and I can't wait to show it to you. We are going to talk about 3 powerful juices that can naturally control your blood sugar levels. If you or someone you love has high blood sugar, prediabetes or diabetes, or just wants to stay healthy, this video will help you a lot. You will learn 3 fresh juices you can make at home, why these juices are good for controlling sugar, how to make them in detail, best time to drink them, extra health tips to keep sugar normal. So, make sure you watch till the end. By the end of this video, you will have a clear action plan you can start tomorrow morning. And trust me, if you follow it for even 7 days, you will feel a difference in your body. Understanding sugar in the blood. Before we talk about juices, let's understand what blood sugar is and why it goes high. Our bodies use blood sugar, also known as blood glucose, as their primary source of energy. It comes from what we eat, mostly from things like rice, bread, noodles, sweet fruits, and carbohydrates. When we eat, our body breaks down the food and releases sugar into the blood. The pancreas then produces insulin, a hormone that aids in the transfer of sugar from the blood into the cells. Cells use this sugar to make energy so we can walk, talk, think, and live. But occasionally, insulin production is inadequate in our bodies, or we develop insulin resistance, in which our cells stop responding to insulin. Sugar stays in the blood and raises blood sugar levels when this happens. High blood sugar for a long time can harm eyes, leading to blurry vision, nerves that cause numbness, heart, risk of heart attack, skin, slow wound healing, kidneys, risk of kidney failure. That is why keeping sugar in control is very important. Why natural juices are beneficial. Let's discuss the benefits of juices now. Fresh vegetable and fruit juices are full of vitamins, keep your body strong. Minerals, support insulin and metabolism. Fiber, slows down sugar spikes after eating plant chemicals. Fight inflammation and help cells use sugar better. When you drink the right kind of juice, your blood sugar levels don't change. Your pancreas works better. The liver removes additional toxins. Your digestion gets better. However, you must select the appropriate juices. Packed juices from supermarkets are not good. They have sugar, preservatives, and no fiber. Instead, we will use fresh, homemade, low-sugar juices. Juice hash 1, bitter gourd juice. Our first juice is bitter gourd juice, Karela juice. Yes, I know it tastes bitter. However, it is one of the most potent natural drinks for diabetics and people with high blood sugar. Why gourd juice is beneficial? It has a natural compound called carnitine that lowers blood sugar. The pancreas insulin production is enhanced as a result. It helps cells use sugar for energy. It even helps in weight loss, which is good for controlling diabetes. Ingredients: 1 medium bitter gourd, 1 mug of water, few drops of lemon juice, optional. How to produce: 1. Wash the bitter gourd well. 2. Cut it into small pieces. Remove seeds for less bitterness. 3. Add to blender with water. 4. Blend until smooth. 5. Strain the juice. 6. If you like, you can flavor it more by adding lemon juice. When you should drink: drink bitter gourd juice early morning on an empty stomach for best results. Tips: start with a small amount, 1/4 glass if new. Increase gradually to 1 glass. Keep an eye on your blood sugar levels if you are taking medication for diabetes. Bitter gourd juice can make sugar very low. Pregnant women should avoid too much bitter gourd juice. Juice hash 2, juice of green vegetables. Our second juice is green vegetable juice. Fiber, magnesium, and antioxidants in this juice are all beneficial for maintaining stable sugar levels. Ingredients: 1 cup kale or spinach, 1/2 cucumber, few mint leaves, 1/2 lemon, 1 glass water. How to make: 1. Wash all vegetables. 2. Chop spinach, cucumber, and mint. 3. Add to blender with water. 4. Blend until smooth. 5. Squeeze lemon juice and mix. Why it works: magnesium in spinach makes insulin sensitivity better. Cucumber hydrates your body and has very little sugar. Mint improves digestion. Drink this juice in the morning or afternoon. It is incredibly refreshing and filling for hours. Juice hash 3, carrot and beetroot juice. Our third juice is carrot and beetroot juice. People often think carrots and beets are too sweet for diabetics, but when taken in small amounts, they are very healthy. Ingredients: 1 medium carrot, 1/2 cup of beets, 1/2 lemon, 1 glass water. How to produce: 1. Wash carrot and beetroot. 2. Cut into small pieces. 3. Add to blender with water. 4. Blend thoroughly and strain. 5. Add lemon juice. Reasons it works: beta-carotene, which improves vision and immunity, can be found in carrots. Beetroot improves blood flow and reduces blood pressure. Antioxidants that reduce inflammation are present in both. Drink this juice 3-4 times a week, not daily because beetroot has some natural sugar. Healthy habits. Juices are amazing, but they work best if you follow some healthy habits. Eat 4 to 5 small meals instead of 2 big ones. Avoid white bread, soda, and processed snacks. Walk at least 30 minutes daily. Drink enough water, 8 glasses. Sleep well, 7-8 hours. Avoid stress and maintain calm. Friends, you just saw how simple natural juices can change your life. When I tried them for myself, I noticed improvements in my mornings, digestion, and general well-being. It's your turn now to try these healthy juices. If you found this video informative, then like it, subscribe, and share with your loved ones. See you in the next video. Till then, stay healthy.